It's a great day for French toast. Take some bread, soak it in some eggy custard, fry it up, and call it a day. Easy enough. But what bread are you using? It turns out some breads are better than others. Two things you should consider are structure and crust. As far as structure goes, something with a medium to tight crumb is going to soak up that custard way better than something with a very open crumb. So a sourdough has those big open bubbles, and that's normally good for a lot of things. But for French toast, that custard's gonna go right through those bubbles. Something like a brioche bread has a tighter crumb and will hold on to the custard better. The crust. This is, I think, the sneakiest problem with a lot of French toasts. The crust matters. So if you're using a bread that has a really strong, maybe hard crust, if it's rubbery now, it'll be rubbery later. The most effort that you want to put into eating French toast, especially if you're half awake, is just going through it with a fork. You shouldn't have to use a knife. No one should have to wield sharp implements while they're eating breakfast half hungover. Since we shouldn't need a knife to cut into our soft custardy bread, we are going to perform the fork test. I let this sourdough sit in custard for 10 minutes, and I cannot get through this with just a fork. Behold, the brioche passes the fork test. I'm Allie, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for some more video tips and tricks like this one.